What kind of noises is she making?
She's making little whistling noises out of her nostrils.
Like what? Can you...
No, I can't really do them.
Can you move around or you control her face? Don't move. Don't move. Here's our fancy outdoor barbecue. Watch out for your dogs there, Sarah Lynn.
I don't want them to turn into hot.
And we're going to try cooking bannock on it too, see how that works.
Daddy, it's not cooking on the bottom again. Oh, mine are perfectly brown.
Yeah, take them inside.
Take them to the inside. Never mind, I need a jacket. It's not that warm. Andrew? No, I was going like that because I thought mine was on fire. I was right. I think mine's ready!
Nope, no, it's still white, buddy.
Okay.
It has to look like Sarah's.
But Sarah still wants hers a little more cooked. No. Mine's ready! There's a
Almost.
piece of it that's only I'm gonna feel white still.
How's it cooking?
Good. It's toasting quite nice. Mine's not quite in that stage yet. I just went over the fire. I've cooked the most fatty of everyone. I've cooked three. This is my third piece, and I've cooked.
So, what do you think, Brittany?
Fun. Very, very, very fun. Even though it smells very stinky-ish. Or maybe it's just me. You think this is good? Or does it need to be toasted?
Ah, that looks good. You want to see it turn off?
Of course you're going to like hot dog.
Thank you, Emma.
It's a very big piece.
It's lovingly roasted by...
Me.
Was that Sarah who did that?
Mm-hmm. I'll just take half of it.
Stephen, pass your plate, please, if you want a piece of bannock.
So I guess this is our festival.
There.
The Voyager.
That's not dog poop. That's bannock. Although I don't think they had much lettuce, did they, guys?
No.
Or ketchup.
Or salad dressings.
Not like
Or
that.
hot dogs. They probably had some sort of salad dressing, like honey or something on it. But
Yeah, they didn't have salad. They're likely to have salad.
maybe it's because there wasn't mustard yet, for sure. Oh, good. I would like to live in that time period. What about mushrooms? Can I have this hot dog?
You've got a hot dog on your plate already.
And there wasn't even noodles. Even better.
What, you don't like noodles?
No. But they did have dumplings, my favorite. Good thing that they didn't have